Experiencing frustrating disconnections with your HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2? It's a common issue, often linked to the 2.4 GHz wireless connection via the USB dongle. Potential causes include USB port problems, interference from other wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers, outdated firmware or drivers, or even low battery. We'll guide you through troubleshooting to pinpoint and resolve these frustrating interruptions. First, ensure the USB port your receiver is plugged into is working correctly. Try a different USB port, preferably a USB 3.0 port, as some users on Reddit have found this reduces interference. Also, check the cable if you're using the wired mode or charging. Look for bent pins, loose connections, or cable damage. Clean the ports with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. A faulty physical connection is a frequent culprit. Outdated firmware and drivers are a major cause of disconnections with your HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 mouse. Use the HyperX Ingenuity software to ensure your mouse and receiver have the latest firmware. Cloud-based firmware updates via Ingenuity are now standard. Check Device Manager for updated drivers to ensure compatibility and stability. HyperX has released updates like version 2.1.4 to improve Bluetooth stability and reduce interference from other devices. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for preventing disconnections and ensuring optimal performance. Low battery levels can trigger disconnections to conserve power. Replace the AAA battery with a new, high-quality one or use the USB charging dock if applicable. Ensure the battery contacts are clean. Low power can lead to intermittent signal drops, so maintaining adequate power is key for a stable connection. Step 5 focuses on repairing the mouse and receiver. Sometimes the wireless connection between the mouse and its USB receiver can become corrupted, leading to disconnections. To fix this, consult your HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 manual or visit the HyperX website for detailed instructions on how to repair the devices. Repairing essentially resets the wireless connection and can often resolve lingering connectivity issues. The HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 includes a wired mode as a reliable backup option. If wireless disconnections continue, connect the mouse directly using a USB-C cable. This bypasses all wireless components, eliminating interference and ensuring stable operation. To switch to wired mode, plug the included USB-C cable into the mouse's charging port and connect the other end to your computer's USB port. The mouse will automatically detect and use the wired connection. Wired mode provides uninterrupted connectivity without battery concerns and helps determine if the issue is specific to wireless components like the receiver or interference. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 mouse continues to disconnect, this likely indicates a hardware fault requiring professional assistance. Contact HyperX support for further help or to file a warranty claim. They can provide specific solutions based on your situation, even though there's no widespread recall for this issue. When reaching out, provide detailed information about the disconnection problem and list all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This helps support diagnose the issue efficiently and determine if a replacement or repair is warranted. HyperX support can guide you through additional diagnostics or arrange for service. Acting promptly with complete information will help resolve your connectivity issues effectively.